This is 2013 Kia Optima. We're gonna do a front brake pad replacement. Alright, so let's started. Let's remove this cover. Uh-oh, there's the special lug nut. Alright, special lug nut. Okay, so we're using number 14. So I'm just gonna open this, the one over here. Yeah, it's loose. Voila. Then just this. Alright. Oh, oops, oops. Hold on. Okay. Need to remove. See this line in here? I think we have to remove this. It's number 12, I guess. Right, let's remove this. Number 12. Perfect. Now we had a play. We can slide this. I'm just gonna remove it. There we go. And then brake pad. Well, it's not that bad though, but it's already old. Alright, so let's remove this. Now let's put the new brake pad. It's Wagner. Let's compare it. Oh yeah, it's good. They're all the same. Yep. Doesn't matter. They're all the same. Alright. But still, let's double check. Yeah. It's the same. The same size. Alright, let's put it on. Go. On the top. Go. Nice. Perfect. Let's put on the new brake pad. silicone paste. Good. Nice. Silicone paste on this side, and put it on. Go. Right, let's compress caliper. Sliding pin. Okay, it's not that bad though. So I'm just gonna add silicone paste. Go, and then this one. Now it's sliding pin too. Alright, let's put it on. Perfect. Nice. Then threadlock. Permatex. All right. All right. Number 14. Nice. Okay. Perfect. And then forget the bracket. Nice. Alright. Looks good. Double check. It's tight. Alright. Alright. So, there you go. That's how you replace a Brakepad for 2013 Kia Optima. So if you had any question on this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.